The first thing you'll notice about the Honda Goldwing CSC Trike is its commanding presence. The sleek and modern bodywork is seamlessly integrated with the Trike conversion, maintaining the elegance of the standard Goldwing while adding a robust and aggressive stance. The California Sidecar, CSC, conversion is one of the most refined Trike kits available, boasting a factory-like fit and finish. LED lighting, chrome trim, and aerodynamic fairings contribute to its luxurious appearance. The CSC kit also includes stylish alloy wheels and an elegantly designed rear end that contributes to the overall appearance of the Trike. Available in a variety of colors, the Trike is the very picture of class and sophistication. Propelling the Goldwing CSC Trike at its core is the highly engineered 1,833 cubic centimeters six-cylinder engine. This liquid-cooled gem offers silky smooth and reactive power with 125 horsepower and 130 lb-ft of torque. The throttle-by-wire offers smooth input, and high-speed cruising and city riding become unexpectedly easy. The 7-speed automatic dual-clutch transmission, DCT, is a groundbreaking innovation for Trike riders. It offers shifting smoothly without using the clutch manually, perfect for riders who would want a worry and effort-free ride. Still, for those that want a traditional experience, an optional 6-speed manual transmission is also offered. One of the best features of the California Sidecar conversion is its independent rear suspension, IRS. In contrast to solid-axle Trike kits, the IRS provides a smooth ride, with reduced vibrations and better stability. The rear suspension devours bumps and road irregularities with ease, offering a ride quality that comes very close to that of a luxury vehicle. The suspension in front uses Honda's double wishbone design, which results in improved handling and reduced front-end dive-on braking duties. Coupled with low center of gravity, the Trike remains stable even when driven around a corner very sharply as well as fast. Honda has equipped the Goldwing with cutting-edge technology to make long-distance touring a walk in the park. Some of the amenities include 7-inch TFT display, full-color display with navigation, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto compatibility. Premium audio system, crystal-clear highs and lows with multiple speakers to keep you engaged for hours on end on long tours. Heated seats and grips, a necessity for cold-weather touring. Reverse gear and walking mode, facilitates parking and maneuvering in congested areas. Electronically adjustable windscreen, provides excellent wind protection and can be controlled when in motion. Superb stability is one of the main advantages of the Goldwing CSC Trike. Unlike traditional two-wheel motorbikes, the Trike eliminates the risk of tipping over, and thus it is an excellent choice for riders with mobility impairments or riders looking for a more secure touring experience. The CSC conversion has a low-profile design, maintaining the center of gravity in its best position for smooth handling. Although Trikes need to be adjusted when cornering, as they don't lean like two-wheelers, the engineering of the CSC Trike ensures minimum body roll and gives riders confidence-inspiring control. Long-distance travelers will enjoy the large storage capacity of the Goldwing CSC Trike. The trunk in the back yields over 8 cubic feet of room, adequate for long-distance luggage storage. The Honda Goldwing standard saddlebags remain available as well, adding to cargo space. Both rider and passenger have access to spacious, cushioned seats for highway cruising for hours at a time. The passenger benefits from ergonomic armrests and backrests as well for a fatigue-free and worry-free ride. Despite its size and power, the Goldwing CSC Trike has reasonable fuel economy. The 35 to 40 miles per gallon average is what riders can expect, depending on use. With a 5.5-gallon gas tank, this means an incredible range of some 180 to 220 miles per tankful, perfect for long touring without incessant refueling. Honda Goldwing California Sidecar Trike is a dream motorcycle for any touring rider in quest of maximum power, luxury comfort, and stability. With its advanced engineering, high-end luxuries, and industry's finest trike conversion, the Goldwing Trike is the premium choice of three-wheeled vehicles among the riders. Whether you're going on a cross-country road trip or cruising around town, the Goldwing CSC Trike offers an upscale experience that few can match.